In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a WooCommerce product as out of stock in WordPress. If you need to temporarily stop selling a product without deleting it, this is a simple and effective way to do it. Marking an item as out of stock lets customers know the product is currently unavailable, and it also helps you manage your store more accurately from the back end. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website, products, and store settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to Products, then click All Products. This will open the full list of products currently in your WooCommerce store. From here, find the product you want to change and open it for editing. You can click directly on the product name or use the Edit option if it appears when you hover over it. This will take you to the product editing screen where you can update pricing, descriptions, images, and inventory settings. Next, scroll down until you see the product data section. Inside that area, click on Inventory. This tab controls stock-related options for the product, so this is where you'll make the change. Now locate the stock status setting. This option tells WooCommerce whether the item is available for purchase or not. Change the stock status to Out of Stock. Once you do that, WooCommerce will treat the product as unavailable and display the appropriate message on the storefront. If you do not want customers to place orders for this item while it's unavailable, make sure back orders are disabled. This is an important detail because if back orders are allowed, customers may still be able to purchase the product even though it shows as out of stock. Disabling back orders helps prevent confusion and avoids orders for items you can't currently fulfill. After making those changes, click Update to save the product. This step is essential because your changes will not appear on the live site until the product is updated. Finally, open the product page on your website and confirm that WooCommerce now displays the product as out of stock. This quick check helps you verify that everything is working as expected from the customer's point of view. And that's it! You've successfully marked a WooCommerce product as out of stock in WordPress.